In this video, we will discuss skills section. You will see where you should place skills section in your resume, which skills to include and where you can find those. Use AI to suggest skills, which is super easy. How can you categorize or group skills? Let's see this one by one. Where should you place skills section in your resume? So we'll dive into our resume builder. Now first let's pick a case of freshers. So on the top they have their contact information, then their career objective will come, and then education, and then they can place skills. For experienced professionals, skills are super important, so they can place right under the summary before the work experience. You should not place skills toward the bottom of your resume. Now if you want to change the placement, what you can do, you can simply rearrange. So let's say I want to shift skills after the work experience, then that way I can move skills after the work experience. Say if I want to move that back to the previous position, I can simply do that. Next, which skills to include and where you can find those. So normally skills are embedded in the job description. If you read job description, you will notice it is talking about some skills that are expected out of you. If I am using a job portal like Naukri, I can simply go to any JD, and if I scroll toward the end, it is talking about key skills that are expected: infrastructure management, agile, project delivery, IT project management, PMP, that is certification, and project management. So my resume should have those skills. Now what else? When you match your resume with the JD using our tool, so what you can do, so you can come to your resume, you can go to match with job, and you can add your target role and copy paste the JD here. You can copy more than one JD, and when you will run the matching, it will extract all the essential skills and keywords out of that JD, and it will show it to you. Now the green ones are super important, so they should be in your resume. You can see, like, if let's say agile, stakeholder communication, team collaboration, so you can mention these in your skills section. That way you can cover all the required skills. But there is an easy way. AI can suggest those skills on click of a button. Let's see that. So now we are moving to skills section. Here I already have mentioned some skills, and I can say generate with AI. So AI is analyzing your data, and now it is suggesting some of the skills that should be in your resume. So you can see agile methodology is there, team leadership, project planning, risk management, change management. Like, some of the skills may not be that important that you can manually judge. For example, emotional intelligence, or you can say resource allocation. So you can leave out which are not part of your role. Next, this is very common requirement. Sometimes we want to group our skills. We want to mention it category wise, like leadership skills, technical skills, soft skills. You can do that. To categorize your skills, you just need to toggle this switch and add categories. So I'll add category like leadership, and I'll say project management, and in project management I'll put some of these skills. And technical, so I can mention some of these just for the sake of example. And when I say save group, then now you see it has created 3 categories and put your skills under those categories. So this is how you can do that.